Still on the blog, my name is the one, the king himself, King Smith as usual. But then you missing, I missed this pretty face, but I'm back. Kare, John Black, what is happening with John Black? John Black, man, congratulations about your concert over the weekend. It was really beautiful, it was so nice, so perfect, so fantastic. Omwana ajira mu Benz nga amuvuga amuita Vanessa Sembera kompembera. So munange yamuleta namalo muleta munange namu dropping awo mu Freedom City ya Chikuba n'abantu ne bagoba era mune Keti yejalogera yeyo nenga munange John Black munange okumenya record ya Freedom City. I'll give you a list of abayimbi bamenye record ya Freedom City. Kubaddeko David Lutalo, kwaliko B2C, John Black azina ina ajimenya, so a lot of artists bamenye Freedom City. Mujukane Palace ne yagezaako ne amoli agaliwo munange mama wa John Black wenjogerere sawa zino yabadde nga bachita akaaba amaziga. Why? Yakaba amaziga because John Black yajuza Freedom City. Teyakomyoko n'akaaba amaziga because John Black omwana w'ebusogo mwana asala bridge abasoga kodeyo muliyo muzira mugambaki mukobaki. So nakuba Trans Africa Jinja twabaddeyo ku Sunday nava onagenda ku Ajip Motel Embala naye agenda jikuba massively. So congratulations ne ebyasinze okubeera highlights of the show yadde Irene Namubiru kujja ku stage ne banyola akamoto ka Domzinda lwasose mwechangirako. It was a perfect match. Everyone liked the performance. So koka kanja bita mangu lwakwa yadde agudde ekigoneka Vinkane kati John Black wostulira Vanessa. How dare you not manage okusitula mwana mulenzi mwana mwala badde muisa mulenzi mwana mulenzi Vinka? How could you not manage? For real, how could you not manage? Because Vinka is just a small boned girl. Manyi bone fish. So Vinka about wali. How could you not manage? Anyways, yagezezako ensonga bwezito bweziri. So tuongero musabira nenga thank you so much for supporting John Black, man. Obuyimba obadde unecha soko ya John Black. Ogenda ku YouTube ya John Black. Obuyimba bwe yasokerako buli obukadde bwonna yabudiditingayo kubanga bwali bubi. Nalekayo kuva kayimba romantic n'obusigaddaawo dudududati replace me. Aina kayimba kamanyiddwa nga makanika. Aina kayimba bungi. But anyways, I won't go into the list because since Awimba. But man, thank you so much for supporting John Black. And next time mu supporting omuyimba bambi yefiki akyali omu biwobebwe katongero musabira tulawo bakinamukolera omundu ogunaddako tomanya next time nzokola yakayimba la Gruneda inzokola yo concert kasube bayimbi kyabala banji abayinza okola concert but katubasabye namu ba supporting mu supporting zamana mulenzi John Black. Anyway, my name is One King Smith, the king himself. If you haven't subscribed, go down and subscribe. If you have ever subscribed, please share, like at the video. My name is One, a King Smith.